Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from chapter 12, Kinetic Theory or Kinetic Theory of Gases. Let's move to question number 1. The mean free path I for a or L for a gas molecule depends upon diameter d of the molecule as dash. Formula, that is L equal to 1 by pi n d square. That is, L is inversely proportional to d square. Okay, that is a mean free path. L is inversely proportional to d square. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 2. The molecules of a given mass of a gas have RMS velocity of 200 meter per second at 27 degrees Celsius and 1.0 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square pressure. When the temperature and pressure of the gas are 127 degrees Celsius and 0.05 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square, the RMS velocity of its molecule is dash. Formula for RMS velocity, VRMS equal to square root of 3RT by M. Here Rm is a constant and Vrms depends upon T only. That is square root of T. That is Vrms is proportional to square root of T. Okay. Then we will keep as first one as V1 is proportional to T1 and V2 is proportional to T2. That is V1 is proportional to square root of T1 and V2 is proportional to square root of T2. And we want to find V2 by V1. V2 by V1 equal to, by taking the ratio, proportionality will be removed. That constant will be there, that constant will be getting cancelled. So by removing proportionality, we can keep constant as for equal. Then equal to square root of T2 by T1. And T2 is 127 degrees Celsius, convert to Kelvin. T1 27 degrees Celsius. T1 equal to 27 degrees Celsius, convert to Kelvin, plus 273. Plus 273 equal to 273 plus 27, 300. 300 Kelvin. And T2 equal to 127. 127 plus 273 equal to 400 Kelvin. T2 by T1. So square root of 400 by 300. Then these two zero getting cancelled. Root of 4 by 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Then V2 equal to 2 by root 3 into V1 is given how much? V1 is given 200 into 200. 2 into 200, 400. Therefore, this is equal to 400 by root 3 meter per second. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 3. In the given VT diagram, VT means volume temperature diagram, what is the relation between pressure P1 and pressure P2? V versus T. Pressure P1 and P2. Your relationship is slope is inversely proportional to pressure. To pressure is given P1, P2. Slope of P2 is greater. Slope of P2 is greater than P1. Therefore, as slope of P2 is greater than slope of P1, then as this is inversely proportional, then P2 is less than P1. That is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 4. The molar specific heat at constant pressure of an ideal gas is 7 by 2 R. The ratio of specific heat at constant pressure to that at constant volume is dash. That is ratio of specific heat of Cp and Cv. That is equal to gamma. Gamma equal to Cp by Cv. This only we want to find. And what is given one? Cp is given or Cv is given? Yes, Cp is given. That is 7 by 2. What is Cp? That is specific capacity at constant pressure. Cp is given. Cp equal to 7 by 2 R. And CV, how you can find? There is a relationship between CP and CV, that is CP minus CV equal to R. Is it so? From this CV, what is CV? This is specific capacity at constant volume. CV equal to CP minus R. And CP is given 7 by 2. 7 by 2 minus R. 7 by 2 minus R, 2 R, 7 minus 2 R, and here R is there, is R. Then 7 minus 5 R is, 7 minus 2 R is 5 R. 5 R by 2. This is your CV. Substitute this here. Gamma equal to CP by CV. CP is given already 7 by 2 R divided by CV. CV is 5 by 2 R. R getting cancelled, 2 getting cancelled. Then gamma equal to 7 by 5. Which option? Yes. Option number A. Let's move to question number 5. The equation of state for 5 gram of oxygen at a pressure P and temperature T when occupying a volume V will be dash. We know the formula PV equal to nRT. PV equal to N into R into T. And N equal to mass, that is 5 is given by molecular mass. That is 5 gram by, what's the molecular mass? That is for oxygen 32. 5 by 32. Substitute this here. PV equal to 5 by 32 or T. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 6. Pressure of a gas is raised from 27 degrees Celsius to 927 degrees Celsius. Root mean square speed is dash. That is VRMS. VRMS equal to, what is the formula? Square root of 3 RT by M. That is VRMS proportional to root T. VRMS is proportional to square root of T. Same like previous, V1 is proportional to T1, V2 is proportional to T2. Then V2 by V1 equal to square root of T2 by T1. That is 927 and 27. Square root of 927, or it's in degrees Celsius, no? Converting to Kelvin. T1 equal to 27 degrees Celsius. Converted to Kelvin means how much? Plus 273, 300 Kelvin. Similarly, T2 equal to 927 plus 273. So 1200. Substitute this here. Square root of 1200 by 300. 0 getting cancelled. 3 4 12. Square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So V2 by V1 equal to 2. 2 times. That is gets doubled. Option D is the correct answer. Let's move to last question. A gas mixture consists of 2 moles of oxygen and 4 moles of argon at temperature T. Neglecting all vibrational modes, total internal energy of the system is dash. Total internal energy UT equal to sum of the internal energy of oxygen UO plus argon UA. Formula for internal energy U equal to F by 2 N or T. Okay, F by 2 N or T. Then F N or T. Then F is the number of degrees of freedom, N is the number of moles. Then substitute this here. For oxygen, which is a diatomic molecule, its degrees of freedom is 5. 5 by 2 into N. N is the moles, 2 moles is given. So into 2 or T. Plus. For argon is monatomic molecule, its degrees of freedom 3. So 3 by 2 into number, that is N value, number of moles, N value is 4. So into 4 or T. 2 getting cancelled, 2 4 times. Then 5 or T plus 3 to 6, 6 or T. 5 or T plus 6 or T gives 11 or T. 11 or T. This is your total internal energy. Which option? Option D. Option D is the correct answer. Thank you, students. In next session, we will see through another chapter in problem solving session. Thank you.